Welcome home the NewAir AB850 84 can beverage cooler. This beverage cooler is compact enough to fit on any countertop, beside your recliner in the game room, or anywhere you want fast access to your favorite drinks. The insulated black cabinet and stainless steel door look great in any room and make this cooler a great display during parties. The cooler can hold up to 84 cans of beer and soda with 3 metal racks that can be removed to accommodate larger containers. The customizable temperature controls can be set from 34 to 64 degrees Fahrenheit via an easy-to-use dial that allows you to chill your brews to personalized perfection. The gorgeous interior LED lighting, combined with the glass door, provide illuminated viewing of your beverage collection. The NewAir AB850 84 can beverage cooler also comes with a 1-year warranty for extra peace of mind and outstanding customer service from NewAir for the lifetime of your purchase.
Hi, I'm Ian, and we're taking a look at the ABR 960 beverage cooler from NewAir. The first thing you should know about are the dimensions. The unit is 14.8 inches wide, 33.9 inches tall, and 22.4 inches deep. It was designed that way to be the same size as a kitchen trash compactor, so you can switch them out easily. The ABR 960 is a modern update that fits nicely into those spaces. The unit is 33.9 inches tall to fit right under your countertop. It has a front venting compressor, so it doesn't need to have ventilation. But it can also be freestanding. You can set it up in your game room if you want. It has easy-to-use digital controls and a display that's easy to read. It has a 96 can holding capacity, or you can adjust the shelves for bottles to cool your craft brews to perfection. It has thick insulation, a double pane glass door that's reversible, so you can set it up to open either way. Also, there's a security lock if you have little kids or want to keep unwanted customers out. Thanks for taking a look with me at the ABR 960 beverage cooler from NewAir.
At NewAir, trust is important to us. We test each product line before we put it on the market to make sure it's reliable. We have a world-class, dependable, dedicated customer service team, so your calls and emails go to real people. And we've been doing this since 2002, so we've built a reputation as one of the best customer-reviewed companies online. That's why NewAir is a name you can trust.
Black Mini Refrigerator by RCA. This fridge is perfect for a small office, dorm room, kitchen, or playroom. The inside area of the fridge is generous, allowing you to organize your food and drinks. The thermostat control allows you to maintain your drinks and food at the ideal temperature. The reversible door and adjustable feet allow you to put this unit in any location.